How to copy Instagram post link. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy the link of the Instagram post. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will need to scroll down to find the post that you'd like to copy the link of. Once you find the post that you'd like to copy the link of, here tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and soon after doing that you'll see this pop-up where you'll be able to locate the airplane icon that says we are moving things around, see where to share and link. You need to tap on this option, and by doing so here you'll be able to see copy link button at the very bottom next to add note. Now you can simply tap on this icon and then link of this Instagram post will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste this copied link anywhere you would like. So by following these steps, you should be able to copy the link of Instagram post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.